us ask the question, what is better, being a field welder or being a shop welder? Being a field welder who can weld in the shop. Most shop welders and fabricators can't weld in the field. Like if it's not perfect, if everything ain't lining up and it's not, they get frustrated. Like they like things to be, correct. In the field, it's not going to be like that. It's always a change of plan somewhere, or something didn't line up correctly, or someone was rushing and you have to do a RFI. It's always, you have to think outside the box. Now, probably 60%, and I might be shooting it too far. Things might be correct. You know what I mean? You go there, get it in, get it done, leave. But a nice percentage, you're going to have to think outside the box and troubleshoot. And I actually like welding in the field because, you know, it got to be sound, it got to be correct, but it don't have to be like perfect, like picture perfect where people look and say, ooh, that's just perfect. Nah, we know it's sound, we know it's gonna work, we know ain't nothing wrong with it, but it might not look like the Walmart sign. You see what I'm saying? So most people enjoy the the shop because you can go in there and you got everything laid out. And majority of the time, if you in a shop environment, your pay is controlled. You're only going to get so high because you got to kick in. They paying for lights, water, heat, all that good stuff in the inside of there, and that affects your pay too. So you're probably only going to get to a certain level being in the shop. But if you a shop field hand where you actually weld in the field and install, but you can work in the shop too, oh man, you are a very important person. I'm gonna tell you like that, man, because especially out here in the field, because like I say, you have to think outside the box. So if you can think outside of the box, work in the field and in the shop, you're an asset. So my personal opinion is not being a just a field welder alone or being a shop welder alone. It's being able to combine the two. It's kind of like getting married. You know what I mean? It's like, can y'all come together and make this thing work? You know what I'm saying? So be a field welder with shop experience so you can be able to do both good. Think about that. Hold on.